Hello, everyone. This is lecture number one of this series, and I'm going to teach you how to speak Egyptian Arabic. So, we're going to start now. In every language, first we learn about how to say hello, how to say good morning, how to say good afternoon, or whatever. And my name is, and what is your name? It's nice to meet you, and all those things. So, we're going to learn these first. So, starting from how to say hello. For hello, you're going to say ahlan, or you can say salam. Salam, salam, or ahlan. You can interchange them, you can use any one of them. And now, let's learn how to say good morning. Good morning is sabah al khair. Sabah al khair. Sabah al khair. Sabah is morning. Sabah means morning. And al khair is simply saying good. Okay? Good morning. Sabah al khair. And in reply, you just have to change al khair into an nur. So if somebody is saying Sabah al khair, you just have to reply with Sabah an nur. Sabah, you should know it is good morning. Sabah is for morning. So you should know that. Sabah is for morning. So if somebody is saying Sabah al khair, you have to reply with Sabah an nur. Also, now, if somebody is talking about evening, he will use masa, right? So he will say masa al khair, masa al khair. And in reply, you will just have to change al khair into an nur. So you say masa an nur. So these are simply good morning and good evening. Good evening and good afternoon. For these two, you can use the same thing. Even if it is good evening or good afternoon, you just have to say masal khair. And even in reply, you're gonna say masal nur. And now, if you have to introduce yourself and say my name is, for example, Ahmed. My name is Ahmed. You will say Ana ismi Ahmed. Ana ismi Ahmed. You will have to remember a rule here, which is while using my, you will have to add E sound to the word in front of it. For example, you're writing my name is. For name, the word is ism. But since you're using my name, so you will have to write ismi. Anna means I, and ismi means my name. So even though this I isn't needed here, but we still say it as Ana ismi. For example, Ana ismi Ahmed. But instead, you can also use ismi Ahmed. You don't have to use the Ana in front of the sentence. Another example for this is If you have to write or say my daughter, the word for daughter is bint. And if you're saying my daughter, then it is binti. So it's binti. The same applies here, that my name is. For this, you will write just ismi, but you have to add this e sound. Okay, moving forward. Pleased to meet you is said as tasharrafna. In Arabic, it's said as tasharrafna. You will have to remember this one. Pleased to meet you is tasharrafna. Now we have this conversation here between Mike and Amina. Just as we learned, good morning is sabah al khair. So Mike is saying to Amina, good morning, my name is Mike. So he will say, sabah al khair, ana ismi Mike. Sabah al khair, ana ismi Mike. And Amina replies back with, good morning, my name is Amina. The same thing. But she will have to change al khair into an-nur. Sabah an-nur. Ana ismi Amina. And Mike says, pleased to meet you, which is tasharrafna. This is the same thing again. Masa al khair, good evening. And in reply, you will say Masa an-nur. And if you have to say pleased to meet you, it is tasharrafna. Now, and another conversation between Mike and Sammy. Mike is saying, bye Sammy. So he's saying bye. For bye, you will use salam. We use salam for hi as well. And you can use it for bye as well. So how will you say bye? So bye is just salam. And another word which is goodbye. Goodbye is said as ma salama. So bye is salam and goodbye is ma salama. Now, how will Mike say this? He will say salam ya Sammy. Since he's addressing to Sammy, so he will say salam ya Sammy. And Sammy in reply is saying goodbye, see you tomorrow. So how will he say it? He will say ma salama. Since he's saying goodbye, he'll say ma salama. For see you and tomorrow, we will have to learn two new words. See you is a shufik. And for tomorrow, we'll use bukra. So ashufik and bukra. So goodbye is masalama, but now he wants to say see you tomorrow. He will say ashufik bukra. Ashufik bukra. And Mike is now saying yes, goodbye. For yes, we'll use aiva. We'll use aiva. And goodbye is the same, ma salama. For bye, you will use salam. For goodbye, use ma salama. And for yes, you will use aiva. And for see you, we'll use shufik. Remember this one, shufik. And bukra means tomorrow. This is all for this video. See you in the next one.